Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the new chapter that is small business. The small business occupy important place in the Indian economy. Means the small business enterprise are defined in the terms of their investment in plant and machinery or equipment. Recently we find that business enterprise have been classified into two segments. ये दो सेगमेंट में डिवाइड हुआ नेमली माइक्रो इंटरप्राइजेस एंड स्मॉल इंटरप्राइजेस एंड द लिमिट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट इन प्लांट एंड मशीनरी इन केस ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर एंड लिमिट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट इन द equipment in case of service sector have been specified by the Micro Small Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006. So before we discuss the chapter, let's understand the what is the concept of small business. So according with the provision of Micro Small Medium Enterprises Development MSMED Act 2006, the micro small medium enterprises are classified into two classes. First, manufacturing enterprises. Manufacturing, they are engaged in the manufactured productions of goods pertaining to any industry. They are defined in the terms of investment in the plant and machinery. Next, service enterprises. They are engaged in providing the rendering of service. They are defined in the terms of investment in equipment. The limit of investment in plant and machinery equipment for manufacturing service are means under the MSMED Act 2000C. So in the table that micro enterprises investment in plant and machinery is up to 25 lakh. Small industry, small enterprises investment up to 25 to up to 5 crore, medium above 5 crore and up to the 10 crore. Service enterprises, micro enterprises up to the 10 lakh, small enterprises up to the 10 lakh and up to the 2 crore, and medium enterprises above 2 crore and up to 5 crore. So these are the chart. Now what is the small scale industry? The small scale industries enterprises defined as one in which the investment is fixed asset of the plant and machinery does not exceed 5 crore if engaged in manufacturing and 2 crore engaged in rendering of service. Micro enterprises, a micro enterprises is one whose investment in plant and machinery does not exceed 25 lakh if engaged in manufacturing, 10 lakh if engaged in providing service. Next, SSI owned and managed by women entrepreneur enterprise promoted by the women entrepreneur is small scale industry unit in which she individually jointly have share capital of not less than 51%. Rural and village industry, we define any industry located in a rural area which produce any goods, render any service with and without use of power in which the fixed capital investment per head does not exceed 50,000 or such other sum may be defined by the central government for time to time. Thank you.